This is Donnell, and today I'm coming to you with the DIY super easy alpha hydroxy acid mask. This mask you can apply to your skin at least 2 to 3 times a week, and you're going to give yourself that extra dosage of vitamin C. Are you ready? Let's just jump into this, a very super easy video, and let's begin.
Don't even know my name, but she wanna know the game.
We're gonna go ahead and start off on freshly cleansed skin. As always, I love my Donna. Okay, so we're gonna begin with 3/4 cup clean yogurt, 3/4, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, and 2 tablespoons orange juice. And we're gonna mix this up. Oh my gosh, this mask smells absolutely amazing. I think I'm ready to apply to my skin. Well, you can do this 2 ways. You can apply with a foundation brush, or you can use a sponge. I guess 3 ways, or you can apply with your fingers. I'm just gonna go ahead and try with this. Less messy, I suppose. And this mixture actually is making a little more than what I really needed. So next time I'm feeling that, next time I think I'm just going to go ahead and reduce the measurements and see what I can do. But in the meantime, the little excess that I have remaining in my bowl, I'm just going to put back in the refrigerator and leave it there for my next use. This can be done 2 to 3 times a week. Yeah, so this can be done 2 to 3 times a week. It all depends on your needs, and this is going to help with fine lines and wrinkles, helping to tighten up your skin. So vitamin C is very good for our skin. And especially as we get older, we need to do what we need to do to take care of our skin. I'm gonna do another mask next time. I'm gonna go ahead and measurements. For example, this was 3/4 clean yogurt and 1 tablespoon lemon juice and 2 tablespoons orange juice. I'll just go ahead and half the measurements out for next time, because this is way too much that's left over, and I don't want to waste all of my ingredients. I only want to make a mask for 1 use and then toss it. Okay, so it's been about 20-ish minutes, 22 minutes give or take, and let me tell you how my skin feels. I can feel tightening. I can definitely feel the tightening off my skin, and I feel a little bit of tingling going on, especially around my nose area, and all over. So I feel a little bit of tingling, and I feel a little bit of tightening off the skin. Next time I do this, I'm definitely going to extend down my neck, just below here. I don't know why I didn't think about doing that initially, but next time I will extend the mask down to my neck area itself. On to the easy part. I'm just gonna go ahead and rinse this off using a little bit of warm water. I'm gonna rinse this mixture off my skin. All right, well, that was my first time making my own facial mask, and in particular, the first time applying yogurt onto my skin. And let me just tell you, it was pretty rough rinsing that off. I didn't expect for the yogurt to become so ingrained into my pores. And it took a little while, and I was just being careful as I was rinsing it off to not, you know, as you're washing your face, you don't want to pull down on your skin, you don't want to tug on your skin. So I was just being mindful and careful as I was rinsing off to just continue to dab and continue to work my way above my eye and, you know, around my neck, and just to make sure that I was not tugging and pulling onto my skin. So far so good. I can feel a little tightness in my skin. I really feel that. It does feel very clean and soft to the touch. Not bad at all if you're looking to give yourself if you're looking for a facial mask 2 to 3 times a week and you wanna save some dollars, some coins, right? It's not bad at all. I definitely recommend this for anybody who's looking to create their own skincare routine. Remember, 2 to 3 times a week is all it takes. And I still feel the tightness. I'm liking this. Oh, don't forget. I was about to forget this. Don't forget, guys, to follow up this procedure with some type of moisturizing cream. As your skin is cleansed and the mask is on, it does leave it a little dry. I do feel soft, but I am going to follow up with my Bella. This is my daytime triple, it's called the Age Defying Triple Benefit Cream, and I'm going to follow up with this on my skin, and that's it. I'm gonna follow up, and you can follow up with your favorite moisturizing cream or your favorite moisturizer, and that is it for today. Don't forget once again to like, comment, and subscribe, and remember, life is what you make of it. Always has been, always will be. Mwah! Switches until next time.